Alright, so I have a problem with wireless headphones and earbuds. Every time I buy a pair, they always break no matter what. So yesterday I went to my local Dollar Tree and bought this, as well as another pair to test out tomorrow. But this is the Gemstone Pro RGB LED digital display, accurate display of battery level, advanced mic, noise cancellation for clear voice, 20 hours of playtime, and stylish clear case. Alright, funny thing is that when I was at the register, also I didn't pay for these, my brother did, so thank you. So at the register, the lady said that at one point someone took a pair of these home, and they opened it and it was empty because the boxes weighted. But she did check for me, and yeah, it's open. Here you go, it says the same thing. And this is what the actual earbuds look like. You can see me right there, I have a big nose. I can wear these basically all day, and let's check it out. There's like little stickers on the side, as you can see them right here. I'm gonna cut to when I open it. Alright, so I have them right here now. It did leave like a little sticky residue right here. I think it's just like another tape. Ooh. Okay, that's nice. Let's see. So it comes with this box, which I'm guessing has like either replacement earbud, this thing, or the charger, or both. First, actually, I'm gonna leave that right now. Instructions. Oh, and we actually have both the charger and the little squishy ear things. Let's see. How do I turn these on? I like the clear case. Don't tell me actually. Wait. You see that? Hold on. Make it so it's more visible. It's like a little crack in it. It's also scratched a bit. Look at that. I think these are used. I hope not. Or that, or they just like manufacturer error. But also, how do you turn these on? So weird. Alright, let's peel them. Let's see. It says okay, or does it say 0? Oh, I like the color of it. Look at this. It's not a alarm from the back. That would have been cool. But also, that means that I won't ever lose these. Also, wait, what's that? Are these touch sensitive? Are these touch sensitive? Alright, now that I did the main unboxing, I'm gonna cut to when I use it on my phone. Alright. Alright, so it says 99, so I'm guessing they're fully charged, so I'm gonna take them out. And also, I like how they don't slide, but they click. Listen. Yes. Oh, they don't even make sound. I thought they would. Anyways, wait. See that? Is that dirt? It's like a little dirt. I think it's from my table, actually, so I need to be careful next time I put these down. Alright, let's test them out. I'm gonna connect these to my earbuds. I'm gonna leave them I'm gonna leave them to my headphones. I'm gonna leave them right here. And I'm gonna look for it right now on my Bluetooth, as you can see. As you can see, I'm gonna look right here. So Bluetooth, and you guys, that's the one I broke last time. They're brand new too. They lasted like a week. I actually don't know what they're called. Search BTH. How's BTH? So, alright, search up BTH 661. Search. Nothing. That's like, how do I pair these? Hold on. And then I'm gonna check. I'm gonna go record the video for the other earbuds, and I'll be right back for when these are charged. Oh, found them right here. Found them. Pair. Okay, connect. So here I have my YouTube channel. As you can see, yesterday's video. Let's see if you can hear it. I don't know where the microphone is on this phone, on my new phone, so I'm gonna put them on both sides. I don't know, they sound pretty good. Let's see. Well, up the volume. Alright, yeah. Okay, so these do work. And they sound awesome. Not sure about the battery life, but pretty good. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Leave a like and subscribe. Help me get to 30 subscribers, I guess, or something like that.